Hi everyone, salam everyone, good afternoon, goedemiddag, hello, sanbanani. Today we're making chicken stir fry and spaghetti, and this is the ingredients we're gonna use. Add oil into a stir fry pot. Add the onions into the oil and let it fry. Add 3 green chilies sliced. Grate in 3 garlic cloves and a piece of ginger. Add 1 green pepper sliced and mix it. Add 2 sliced carrots. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now you can add the chicken and let it simmer for 5 minutes and then mix it again to check if it's ready. Use the breast meat of the chicken and cut it into slices. Now mix it again and check if it's all cooked. Now it's ready. The chicken is cooked well. Now we're gonna make the spaghetti. Add water, little bit of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt and let it boil. Now the water is ready. You can add in the spaghetti, but check it every 5 minutes not to cook too soft. Now the spaghetti is ready. You can drain the water. Now your food is ready. You can garnish it with chopped coriander. Eat and enjoy. Like and subscribe for more.